So a lot of e-commerce websites offer a feature where you can compare multiple different products before you make the buying decision. But what if the products that you're looking for are spread across multiple websites and there is no logical way to compare it? Sure, you can use tools like ChatGPT, but you will find yourself hitting the walls when ChatGPT cannot successfully scrape some websites, or hitting the wall or getting blocked altogether. So that is why today I want to share one Claude skill with you that I have created that you can use with Claude or OpenClaw, and you can get the product comparison right in the chat window. And for that, we are using the Zyte API automatic product extraction feature. More details in the description below, but first let's take a look how it works. So I'm in the market for a new sneakers, and the sneaker that I'm looking for should be suitable for me to play basketball. So I have shortlisted one of this from Nike LeBron series, and the other one is this New Balance one. And you can see that both of these are on different websites. So can we compare it? Let's find it out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this and I'm just gonna ask my Claude that use Zyte product comparison skill and help me buy the right shoes for playing basketball among, and I'm gonna pass this to URL. So one is this one that I have shortlisted and the other one is on a different website, so that would be this. So let's see how it works. So it has currently found the skill and it's running all the script that I have programmed to run it for. Basically what we are doing is we're making an API call on site with product equal to true. That is what it's needed for the e-commerce product thing, and this will give us a structured output with the name, price, currency, everything that will be here. And this skill is running parallel request, so it's relatively faster, and you can compare like 10 even 20 different products across the site. So it's really good. And recently I used it to buy some cheap RAMs. I know that RAMs are getting really expensive and it's not easy to find some good RAM DDR5 sticks. But yeah, using this skill I was managed to get some good one for my new PC build. But anyway, looks like it has fetched all the product data successfully. Now it will create a beautiful table for us to look at, and then it will also share the thoughts that which shoes would be the right fit according to our requirement. And here I specifically mentioned that I want basketball shoes, and I know for the fact that one of the shoes is really good for basketball, the other one is more like a running or workout shoe. So let's see what it's giving us in terms of the output. Alright, so as you can see, it very comfortably has figured it out that one of the shoes is not at all supported for basketball, and that is why it is giving us this warning that hey, the New Balance sneaker is more of a lifestyle sneaker and not a basketball one. But anyway, it proceeded, and here are all the data points that it has captured from the website. So you can see that it has captured the prices, it has captured the category, it has even managed to fetch some rating, and you can do it at scale, you can do it for multiple different products, and based on everything it is recommending that go for the Nike LeBron 19 one. And over here it has also mentioned that what people are saying about it and why the New Balance one is not the right fit. So that makes it really easy for us to make the decision, and you can compare multiple different products. It's not just one or two products, you can do actually 10 or 20 different products if you want. Let's take a look at the skill now. So over here, if I go to the setting, if I go to, it keeps changing, but you will find it somewhere over here. So let's go to capabilities, and yeah, it's on the customize. So this is the Zyte e-commerce skill, and again the link will be in the description below. If you want to use it, you can download it from GitHub. And over here what you can see, it's just a couple of scripts. First of all, it's making a Zyte API call, so make sure you have the API key set up in your environment, and then it will parse the data which has come back from the API call, and then it is going to present it in this sort of a table form and also give its own opinion, what it feels. You can also ask it that I want the one which is on a cheaper side, and then you can go on and use some different skills. For example, you can add a reminder. If a price goes low, you can get a notification on the phone, things like that. So you can build an entire pipeline however you want to do it. Again, the link will be in the description below, but let me also share the GitHub repo. So over here we have created an entire new organization called Zyte Labs, and where we are sharing a lot of different interesting projects. So I will be posting this one in the Claude web scraping skill. You can download it from here along with some other interesting web scraping skill that is available over here. And if you're also using OpenClaw, then you can give this GitHub repository link to the OpenClaw agent, and then it will be able to use the skill, and then you just have to provide the URL. Whether you are interacting with your OpenClaw with web GUI or something like Telegram, you can just pass this URL and ask it to use the skill, and the skill is designed in such a way that OpenClaw and Claude or whatever agentic framework you are using should be able to use it. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section what to think about this one, and also some other skills that you might be creating or want us to create. We will happy to take a look. Before you go, do leave a like below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we are posting some great projects every week over here, and subscribe to the newsletter to stay updated with everything happening in the world of web scraping, and I'm gonna see you soon.